Hello, I'm Jenny.
I'm Andy.
I'm Keith.
We are
Cheer-Run.
As you can see, our first product name Cheer-Run. We cheer for those who go running. We don't compete with Nike running or Runkeeper. We focus on those who like to play games. But only problem like all the games on the smartphones nowadays is that they keep people away from going outdoors to see the beautiful world. So we create this location-based game. First, after you enter our app, you can press this button to begin to run. And after you finish running, you will get a coupon. Also, we provide the stars for you to play our game. You can buy anything you want in our stores. For example, you can use this bomb to place near your friend. And when your friend come across, it will give her a surprise. And everyone can collect the stars, and that's how we play this game.
We provide a very cool and incentive point. We have a partnership with Coupon, a coupon service named Here Incorporation. For each running, user can get a coupon, and we can also get 50% revenue. To extend to overseas market, we want to partner with Keep, since it also came out with Runkeepers recently.